Today's topic is microbial responses to environment factors of microorganisms. This is a table form. First is descriptive term, second definition column, third is representative genera and species. There are 5 common factors: solute concentration, water activity, pH, temperature, oxygen concentration and pressure. Firstly, I define solute concentration and water activity. Subcategory, subtopics and sub main factors. First is halophile, osmotolerant, xerophile. What is halophile? Halophile requires high level of sodium chloride, usually about 0.2 grow. For example is Halobacterium, Dunaliella, Ectothyroidospora. Next is osmotolerant. What is osmotolerant? Osmotolerant able to grow over wide ranges of water activity or osmotic concentration. For example, Staphylococcus aureus, Saccharomyces roxy. What is xerophile? Organisms that grow best at low water activity, typically with optima at 0.85 or below. Example, Xeromyces biosporus. Next component and factor is pH. pH defined is 3 main characteristics. First is acidophile, second is neutrophile, third is alkalifile. What is acidophile? Acidophile growth optimum between pH is 0 to 5.5. Example is Sulfobolus, Picrophilus, Ferroplasma, Econium. Second is neutrophile. Growth optimum between pH is 5.5 to 8.0. Example is E. coli, Escherichia, Euglena, Paramecium. Alkalifile. Growth optimum between pH 8.0 and 11.5. Example, Bacillus alkalifilus, Natronobacterium. Second is temperature. Temperature main 5 component factors: psychrophile, psychrotolerant, mesophile, thermophile, hyperthermophile. First, I define psychrophile. Psychrophiles grows at 0 degrees Celsius and optimum growth temperature of 15 degrees Celsius or lower. Example is Bacillus psychrophilus, Chlamydomonas nivalis. Second is component is psychrotolerant. Grow at 0 to 7 degrees Celsius, optimum between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius and maximum around 35 degrees Celsius. Example is Listeria monocytogenes, Pseudomonas fluorescens. Next is mesophile. Growth between 20 and 45 degrees Celsius. E. coli, Trichomonas vaginalis. Thermophile. Grow at 55 degrees Celsius or higher, optimum between 55 and 65 degrees Celsius. Example, Thermus aquaticus, Cynidium calidarium. Next factor is hyperthermophile. Has an optimum between 85 and about 113 degrees Celsius, larger than 130 degrees Celsius. Example is Sulfobolus, Pyrococcus, Pyrodictyum. Next cofactor is oxygen concentration. What is oxygen concentration involved in microorganisms? Play a very essential role in microorganisms. There are 5 components in oxygen concentration. First is obligate aerobe, second is facultative anaerobe, third is aerotolerant anaerobe, fourth is obligate anaerobe, and fifth is microaerophile. First, I define obligate aerobe. Completely depend on atmospheric oxygen or growth. Example is Micrococcus luteus and most protists and fungi. Second is facultative anaerobe. Does not require oxygen for growth but grows better in its presence. Example, Escherichia, Enterococcus, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Third is aerotolerant anaerobe. Grows equally well in presence or absence of oxygen. Example, Streptococcus pyogenes. Obligate anaerobe. Does not tolerate oxygen and dies in its presence. Example, Clostridium, Bacteroides, Methanobacterium. microaerophile requires oxygen level between 2 to 10% for growth and it's damaged by atmospheric oxygen level 20%. Example: Campylobacter, Spirillum volitans, Treponema pallidum. The second cofactor is pressure. And the pressure factor is piezophile and barophile. Is the common name is barophile. What is piezophile? Growth more rapid at high hydrostatic pressure. Example is Photobacterium profundum, Swanella benthica. Thank you and subscribe my channel.